Have you ever watched a movie or heard a story where maybe someone is at a party, bar, game, or another social event, and after consuming a drink, they start feeling funny, their vision blurs, they see the room as if it is spinning, they go unconscious. Hours later, they wake up in a different environment with no recollection of what happened to them hours ago, and they later found out that their drink was spiked or drugged. Sounds like I'm telling a sorrowful story, right? But in reality, it can happen to me and it can happen to you. Today, GoTeens presents 6 ways or steps to find out beforehand that your drink was spiked or drugged. Step 1. Just ask the person to take a sip of the drink. Just kidding. Before we continue, hit that red icon in the subscription box to subscribe, turn on the bell notification to get free notification when a new video comes up. Without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Take note of the color of your drink. It may seem obvious or slightly obvious, but change in the color of your drink is a strong indicator that your drink might have been spiked. Some of these adulterants or drug might turn your drink darker or lighter than it was before. Newer versions of drink spiking drugs like Rofinol are designed to turn your drinks blue. If you notice any change in the color of your drink, my dear, pour it out immediately. And you know what? If your conscience ever tells you that your drink might have been spiked, don't try to argue. Just pour the drink away. Let's move on to number 2. Your drink looks cloudy. Some drugs are very difficult to detect, but there are some warning signs to look out for. Like if you're a previously clear drink, or let's say you left your drink clear and now you're back and it has a cloudy look on it that wasn't there when you left. That's a good sign, my dear, that someone might have spiked or spilled something inside your drink. So be watchful of any cloudy sign you see on top of your drink. Let's move on to number 3. Excessive bubbles. This might be difficult to identify with carbonated, fizzy drinks and water, but some drugs react with the beverages by fizzing up or sending excessive bubbles. Not only that, the person trying to drug or spike you might also try to stir your drink so as to mix it up well with the drug, and this might create bubbles. So you should always take a very good note of how you left your drink. Always leave your drink clear, and then if you see funny bubbles, just throw it away. And try to be very, very sensitive in social environments. Let's move on to number 4. Your drink might taste a little bit funny. If after returning and your drink tastes a little bit different than it did before, there is a good chance that you might have been spiked or drugged. If you notice any salty, bitter, or any funny change in the taste of your drink, then someone might have added something to it. Throw it out and make sure you call someone you trust and tell him or her of the current situation you are in. And make sure you also report the incident to the accident or emergency unit of the restaurant, bar, or wherever you are. And if there is no such unit there, you can tell anyone in charge. You can tell him or her that you feel that you have been spiked, and maybe him or her will help you out in that situation. Let's move on to number 5. The drugger or the person's attitude. The attitude of the person or friend who drugged you can be obvious if you are very sensitive. Usually, the person will look at you at times nervously or with a smile when you are returning from wherever you went to. And if him or her keeps stealing glances that you think is fishy, you should watch out. He can also steal a glance at your drink from time to time. And if he also encourages you to take the drink or uses words like, "Why don't you have a drink?" or anything like that, you should be very careful. Throw the drink away. Your life is far better than just a cup of wine or drink. No matter how expensive it is, just throw it away to be on the safer side. Let's move on to number 6. You feel funny, tired, or a little bit lazy. Sometimes by the time you notice that someone has spiked or drugged you, it is already too late. But here are some signs to spot out. Number 1, you have a sudden loss of balance. Even though the effects of these intoxicants or drug mimic alcohol, you should still be very sensitive. You will find a minute ago and now all of a sudden you have loss of balance. You might have been spiked or drugged. Number 2, impaired speech or slurring. Are you or your friend having difficulty in speaking while you seemed fine a while ago, but now you are struggling to put sentences together? This is a second sign that you might have been drugged or spiked. You should report to someone immediately. Number 3, drowsiness. Most intoxicants have sedative properties. This means that they are meant to make you sleepy or lightheaded. If you notice this, get up immediately and go to the person in control or the accident and emergency department and tell them that you might have been spiked. Call a trusted friend or relative, doctor, and tell him or her that you have been spiked. And you can also share with the person who you think is responsible for it, so that if anything happens to you, you can actually hold someone responsible and you can actually get the help you need. Number 4, issues with vision. Is the room spinning? Are you having a double vision, or are you experiencing hallucination? This is a very clear sign that you have been spiked or drugged. Get up and report to the person in charge. Call any relative, friend, doctor, and tell him or her of the current situation. Remember to drink lots of water and try to be calm. Make sure you have told someone of your current situation. We have come to the end of today's video. Make sure you comment on which of the steps you think is most useful, or if you had any experience of a spike drink and want to share it, you can also tell us in the comments below. Remember to comment, subscribe, like and share. We will see you in the next video, my friends and family. Goodbye and say adios.